Hi everyone, Benedette, Simply Be Art, Cape Town. Thank you for being with me again. Let me get my canvas raised up and level, and then I'll talk to you about what I'm about to do today. So on this canvas, I'm going to be doing a new technique for me. It's the first time I'm ever going to do it. I've been contemplating it for a few days now. It's the hype on the internet at the moment. It's B.R. Turner Art's Rolling Marble Pour. That's what I'm about to do on this hexagon canvas. I hope you enjoy the process. Let me tell you about the colors first before I get started. I've got all my colors mixed up. They're mixed up in the same consistency, the consistency that I would use for between a flip cup and a ring pour. So all my colors are mixed to the same consistency, 1 part paint to 1.5 parts pouring medium. And for some colors, I added about 10 grams of water. Others needed 15. So just to bring them all to the same consistency. So this is my dioxazine violet. I've got a deep red. I'm going to be using some gold. I've also got viridian, beautiful, beautiful color. I've got my white mixed up. I've got some turquoise. I've just lightened some of the viridian, and I'm going to end off with some black. So I've got my marble, and I'm going to be laying down a white base coat. So please enjoy the process with me. Sit back, enjoy the music. I love it. Just gonna pull that color through there. Maybe get a little bit of white there. There we go. Okay, I'm happy. I am very happy. There's some blobs here and there. I'm going to pick that up. Final torch, and then I'll bring it down for a close-up. So thank you for watching, everyone. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. I so appreciate it, and I'm so grateful to every single one that has subscribed. Take care, everybody. Stay well. Until the next one, bye for now.